loves, it's Brianna. Welcome to my channel. Apologies for the hair. It's very humid here. It's been raining all week and I've been dying to film this video, but I couldn't. But finally, I can film a clean and decorate with me of my porch for fall. This was really requested on the last clean and decorate with me video that I did, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. Make sure you have that red subscribe button clicked. And before we get going, on bitsofbrieblog.com, I posted my fall bucket list today, so if you are into reading similar fall content, make sure you check that out as well. And let me know in the comments as you watch if there are any other fall videos you would like to see, or if you're thinking ahead to the holidays and have a request, let me know that in the comments as well. But we can get started cleaning and decorating my porch for fall. All right, here's the before of our back porch. I wanted to make sure all of the leaves that have fallen so far got cleaned off, and then I got the summer decor and toys off of the porch. And these decorations I bought a while ago. I wanted to get them finally hung up. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin dish soap to rinse out the kids' splash table and toys before I store them for winter in our garage. If you want to see a garage clean out or another car clean out, let me know in the comments because both need it really bad. Next, I'm going to get all of the leaves blown off of the deck so that it's nice and cleared off before I put out those fall decorations. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the pumpkin scent to wipe down the coffee table, and I'm replacing those cacti with 3 mini white pumpkins. I'm finally hanging that wreath and gather sign that I got months ago. Life has seriously been crazy, but I love how it looks to have the sign hung over the wreath. I'd also gotten these silver herb containers over the summer and never hung them either, but when I saw these ornamental peppers at the garden store today, I had to get them for these. I thought that they were so fun for fall and added such a nice pop of color. So I'll tell you guys a funny story about when we were getting all of these decorations today. Landon came with me, and this garden store is ginormous. It is huge. We were all the way in the back of it. I had gotten a bunch of the flowers and pumpkins on the cart already when he tugged at me and said, "Mom, I've got to go potty." So we hiked all the way up to the front of the store. He went. We went back and found our cart, and we were picking out some more pumpkins, and he said, "Mommy, I've got to go potty again." So we ran all the way back up to the front of the store and went back, finished picking out the pumpkins and the flowers, and made it home. But such an example of mom life, and seriously the patience that I've learned since becoming a mom. And as you can see, I had way too much fun at the garden store today. I got a small and large bale of hay, 1 corn stalk. I got 2 large pumpkins, 2 white pie pumpkins, and 2 orange pie pumpkins, and then an assortment of white and orange mini pumpkins because I figured both colors would play off of the navy blue in the rug and on the pillows out here before I store them for the winter. I also ended up getting all white mums for out back. They had a deal going to for $20, and I thought that they were a nice pop against the dark wood and all of the green that's soon to be orange and yellow leaves back here. But let me know in the comments if you like the fall decorations I put out on the porch, if there's anything you would change for next year or do differently. Let me know your ideas. And don't forget to check out my blog post today, bitsofbrieblog.com. It's my fall bucket list, and there's some really good ideas on there of things you should still do before fall is over, and check back there every single week for a new post. It's done! I love it so much, especially the sweet little ornamental peppers. I'm obsessed with them. I don't know why I've never seen those before, but I think they're so cute for pops of orange back here on the porch. If you liked this video, make sure you click the thumbs up. I definitely have some more clean and decorate with me videos, as long as some other mommy content on my channel, so make sure you check out some other videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves!